Why do you get dressed early in the morning in clothes that you buy just for work? Fighting through traffic jams in a car you're still paying for in order to get to a job that you hate, but need to pay for your clothes, the car, and that house you leave all day long so you can afford to live in it. Does this sound crazy to you? Where's this lifestyle taking you? Towards your dream? If not, how will you ever become truly fulfilled? More importantly, how will you ever get out of this antiquated time for money trap? That's if you've reached a point in your life where you feel you need to get out. So what's the alternative? It's just life. It's just how things are, right? Wrong. This used to be how you earned money in the Industrial Revolution. Time for products for money. We're now living through the digital revolution. Time for money jobs are quickly becoming a thing of the past. Automation has already taken over most manufacturing jobs, and we now accept this as the norm. AI software is started to replace many blue-collar jobs in transport, finance and banking, lawyers, doctors, even teachers. Until the end of 2018, I was selling automation software to the world's largest telcos and banks. But even my job in sales was becoming more and more automated. Focus was less about customer relationships and more about data input, sales process to drive digital marketing. So after slogging my guts out for 30 years doing the 9-to-5, 70-hour weeks, I could see I was slowly selling myself out of a job. And sooner rather than later, I would become just another redundant process. I became determined to find a way to get ahead of this trend, harness this technology, educate myself and earn an income from it. Use it to automate an online business, enable me to sell something I could get truly passionate about. I started researching on the web, and after many weeks I found a global community of digital entrepreneurs willing to help complete beginners like me make the transition to a laptop lifestyle. Of course I was extremely skeptical at first, but I decided to watch some free videos that they sent me. And I'm so very grateful I did, because these videos firstly helped me with basic business ideas. I didn't have a clue what type of business I wanted to run or even what was possible. Then they showed me step by step how to build my own fully automated online business from scratch. But the thing that surprised me the most, they showed me how many people from all walks of life, all ages and backgrounds had already made this transition to a digital lifestyle, working for themselves and earning a healthy income just from their laptops. So for the first time in my life, I became bold. I surprised myself. I followed the steps in the video series, and with the help and support of the community, it's completely changed my life. I'm now at the stage in my own journey where I want to help others. So if you're watching this and you want to start your own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to send you the same video series that got me started. For free, as this is how I received it. So if you click somewhere down in this video, it'll take you to my website. You can find out more about me and my journey if you're interested. Fill in your name and email details and I'll send you the videos directly to your inbox. If you're someone who's open to learning new things, who wants more time, more freedom, maybe a secondary income or even a primary income like me, by working for yourself, then I strongly recommend that you click the link and judge for yourself. I remember thinking this all sounds way too good to be true. But thinking back now, it was just an amazing opportunity that presented itself to me just at the right time in my life, and I didn't want to pass it up. Maybe, just maybe, it's the right time for you to explore an alternative lifestyle. If so, you know what to do. There's no harm in taking a look.